We've all had an animal of some sort, whether it be the traditional dog, cat, or fish, or something a little more exotic, like a sugar glider, or something southern, like a cow or horse. Imagine that animal being thirsty every day and hungry all the time. Imagine that animal being scared and never having any compassion. These are feelings that millions of animals live with each day. I would like to inform you of the different types of animal cruelty, some reasons as to why people would be so cruel, and what you could do to help stop animal cruelty. First, I want to inform you of the two main types of animal cruelty. There's active cruelty and passive cruelty. Active cruelty is intentional torture. Some of the most common forms of active cruelty are found in a slaughterhouse. There have been incidents where slaughterhouse workers have picked poultry birds up by their legs and slammed them into a wall. Another barbaric slaughterhouse would actually cut the trachea out of a cow's neck after partially slitting the cow's throat, all done while the animal is still conscious. Now, I'm all for eating chicken and beef, but being so cruel to animals that you're already going to eat is just unethical in my mind. There are many other types of active cruelty, such as animal testing, dog fights, or even just a horrible person who likes to beat their animal. Passive cruelty is unintentional neglect. It's not as barbaric as active cruelty, but in the end, it's still cruelty. Some forms of passive cruelty include forgetting to give an animal food or water, keeping an animal in a small cage for long periods of time, or leaving an animal in a locked car. Now, let's talk about some reasons people are so cruel to animals. In some cases, animal abuse occurs when domestic abuse is already present. 71% of domestic violence victims report their abuser also targeted their animal. The abuse on the animal is just another way the abuser can assert power and dominance over the victim. As stated in Domestic Violence and Animal Abuse Section B, some motivations for battering pets are the same as those for battering women, including discipline, retaliation, demonstration of power and omnipresence, and installation of fear and the habit of compliance. Another reason people can be so cruel to animals is that they don't think of animals as anything other than that. These people can compare animals to trees because in their minds, animals have no feelings. They're just around like trees. With all these crazy people being mean to innocent animals, you're probably wondering what you can do to help, or if there's even anything you can do to help. The answer is yes. There are a few things you can do to help. One of the best things you can do is raise awareness of the situation. Talk to people. Tell them what you know. The more people that are aware, the better. Another thing you can do to help is look for the signs and don't be afraid to report something. For example, if you're walking down the street one day or driving and it's a really hot day and you see a dog chained to a tree with no shelter and an empty water bowl, report it. That animal could be just seconds away from heat stroke. In conclusion, I've informed you of the two main types of animal cruelty. Active cruelty, which is intentional torture, and passive cruelty, which is unintentional neglect. I've informed you of a few reasons as to why people would abuse animals, the main reason being related to interpersonal violence. And I've also gone over a couple of things you could do to help with the situation. Remember, talk to people and raise awareness. Remember, don't be afraid to report something that you think is wrong. The animals will appreciate it. Thank you.